Welcome to another Odinani series with Nze, the boss Igbo, Ezekolomo. Today I want to talk about, not just talk, I'm not talking, I'm making an appeal to young Igbo intellectuals. This is like an appeal to young Igbo intellectuals. I think one of the greatest tragedies that Odinani is facing is not the attack from those, should I say Christians, or those who are practicing foreign religion and all those things. I think one of the greatest tragedies that Odinani is facing is young, educated Igbos. Young, educated Igbos. It has been like this for almost like, should I say 80 to 100 years. Those Igbos who have gone to school, who have been educated in Western ways, and because of their Western education, they look down on the ways of their ancestors. With their unrelenting attack and mockery of the ways of our ancestors, they belittle our traditional system, and therefore denying this traditional system of their intellectual input. Many of these kind of people find succor in foreign cults and religion, and see the ways of their ancestors as dirty, uncivilized, and retrogressive. They see Odinani as a system fit for the poor, uneducated, and mundane. They see no beauty, no hope, no philosophy, no potency or salvation in it. Personally, I know the kind of mockery I faced from those who supposedly are supposed to know, the intelligent ones, the educated ones. They mock you. They make you look like, despite all your education, this is what you have. This is how low you brought yourself. How can identifying with the ways of your people be a kind of letdown? It's shocking. It is tragic because if Odinani will be given the attention for the Odinani to be respected by outsiders, then Igbo educated sons and daughters must come on board with reverence. Reverence is not blind reverence, but faith which comes from deep study, comparison, understanding of the inevitable life maxim. My own is my own, your own is your own. It is on this premise that I'm asking young, educated Igbos for them to try and understand Odinani. Many of them believe that they understand Odinani. That's those who are attacking Odinani. They believe that they understand it, and it's what they attack. Some believe I'm doing this practice of they are here or here. At times in life, you must choose a hustle. You must choose a side. And I think we are coming to that point that you must choose a side. You're either with Odinani, openly, defending it, promoting it, or you are against it. But I'm asking those who are educated, who have gone to school, thinkers, writers, doctors, lawyers, artists, musicians, for them to proudly embrace Odinani. Odinani needs the input of Igbo educated class. It needs the input of Igbo educated. I'm saying those who embrace Odinani with pride. It's not those who will be Christian by the day and Odinani practitioner by the night, or Odinani practitioner by the day and Christians by the night. Those who cannot defend it. That's when we need young, educated people to do what? To understand Odinani and take active role in promoting the ways of their ancestors. Now, let me say this. Why am I making this appeal? You cannot understand Igbo without deep understanding of Igbo spirituality. Many people claim that they understand Igbo. For you to understand Igbo culture, there is a difference between Igbo culture, Odinani, and Odinani, Igbo spirituality. We must make an attempt as educated class to understand Igbo spirituality. We must. That's why people mistake mysticism, Ogu, with Odinani. No. I've said it repeatedly. One can practice Odinani without getting entangled with Ogu, mysticism. Also, note, I'm not condemning Ogu. Now, number 2, find out your own conclusion on stories you read about our ancestors. Some of the evil narrative we are holding dearly to condemn Odinani, to condemn the ways of our ancestors. Have we made research about them to know how true they are? Have we made research to know how widespread these practices that we are condemning were? Number 3, do not attempt to defend, mock, or even promote Igbo culture if you are not initiated into any of the many ancient elite Igbo cults. When people try to condemn or even defend or even promote Odinani without being deeply involved in Odinani, you must understand what you are promoting. Just like I see people who, when I was a Christian, some people who try to evangelize without having deep knowledge of what the religion they are promoting is all about. You must make sure, in the same thinking, if you want to condemn Odinani, make sure you understand it very well before you condemn. Then if you want to promote Odinani, make sure you do what? You understand it very well, and not just understand it, you belong to one cult or the other. One mystery cult. Because most Igbo, most deep store of knowledge about Igbo Odinani is rooted in some of the cults, be it masquerade cult, be it also, be it Dibia. You must make sure you belong to one of these for you to understand, understudy, be initiated, so that you understand what you are trying to promote. So it will not be based on hearsay. If you are saying something, it will be based on practical experience. Number 4, Igbo, Odinani Igbo, is not a trifle to play with. I repeat, Odinani Igbo is not a trifle to play with. Stay away if you do not want to understand Odinani Igbo. Don't try to condemn what you are not part of. Number 5, the reason every race or culture is blessed with intelligent minds is for such elites to use their intelligence to promote and sustain their group. It's not by an accident that you went to school. It's not by an accident that you are outspoken. It's not by an accident that you're intelligent. One of the reasons why we are gifted, we are blessed with such gifts, is for you to use it to promote and defend your own. It's not for you to condemn. Most times, people do not understand why power is given to them. Power is given to you to either solve the problem of people or to use it to create more problems for people. We have been given free will. What we do with that power is our choice. But we must know that every action has consequences. It will be my greatest pleasure if the educated class of our generation, of my generation, of my present generation of Igbos, will use their gift to promote and defend Igbos better than the ways our fathers did it. I believe that my father's generation disappointed Igbo culture, and I do not really blame them because they existed when the foreign religion was at its peak of penetrating into our Igbo. Now we've known better. I think it's important, it's crucial that my generation use every arsenal every arsenal at their disposal to promote and defend the ways of our ancients. Thank you. If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.